So, just recently, the Imo State Police Command announced they have arrested over 8 suspects in connection with the burning of the National Open University Noun Study Center at Ehime Mbano local government area of Imo State. This happened recently, actually, and as you can imagine, it's been causing quite a stir in the southeast, especially in Imo State, with lots of questions flying around. So, for those of you who missed out on the full gist, kindly go through our videos, to get every of the information you want. Now, here's the deal. According to Henry Okoye, the Imo State Police Public Relations Officer, these suspects were picked up as part of the ongoing investigation. He made it clear that more details will be released as the investigation unfolds. So we are all just waiting to see what comes next. This is a very serious case, and the Imo State government, along with the police, seem very determined to get to the bottom of it. But here's where things get really, really tricky. The attack on the study center reportedly came after a rumor, so it has been alleged. This rumor started circulating that the National Open University Center was going to be used as a facility for internally displaced persons, IDPs. Now, according to the Imo State government, they are saying these rumors are just that, rumors. But you know how it is. Once a rumor takes off, tension starts to rise, and now the affected community are a bit on the edge, fearing that there might be more attacks coming. But these said rumors, are they really rumors? Because, I mean, there are evidences from the newscast on from the newscasted on TVC channel and so many other evidences. But who am I?
Attention to Imo State, where the National Commission for Refugees, Migrants and Internally Displaced Persons has concluded plans for the training of refugees, migrants and internally displaced persons on skills acquisition. Federal Commissioner Tijani Ahmed stated this during an inspection of facilities for the training at Nso in Ehimembano Council area. Senior reporter Prince Uba has details and will return with business news.
According to UN Refugee Agency, Nigeria is home for over 85,000 refugees and asylum seekers. About 3.3 million people are living in internally displaced camps as a result of conflict and violence at the end of 2023. The country is still rated among the 10 countries with the largest number of IDPs globally.
Let's check what he has done.
Worried by this increasing trend, the federal government is making efforts to begin training of these vulnerable people in acquiring skills to reduce unemployment. The National Commissioner for Refugees, Migrants and Internally Displaced Persons and his team are here on an inspection of this facility located inside the National Open University of Nigeria Study Center at Nso, Ehimembano local government area of Imo State.
We in the nation.
The Imo State government says it's rumors, then it's rumors. And honestly, let's pause for a second. What if these 8 suspects are innocent? I mean, just some random thoughts. Just what if they are innocent? It's worth thinking about because with all these rumors flying around, it's hard to know who or what to believe right now. Even though the Imo State government is saying there's no real plan to bring these IDPs into the state, the damage has already been done and people are understandably anxious. Oh, and let's not forget the attack on Senator Frank Ibezim's residence as well. This ex-senator who represented Okigwe South had part of his home destroyed too. Seems like the tension in Imo State isn't just about the university situation. It's spilling over into other areas as well. The police commissioner has responded by sending out the tactical units to track down those truly responsible for both incidents and ensure justice is served. He's also tasked the Deputy Commissioner of Police with conducting a thorough investigation, so it looks like they are not taking this lightly at all. Now, with everything going on, between the rumors, the arrests, and the tensions rising, it's clear that Imo State is facing some serious challenges right now. Governor Hope Uzodimma is probably feeling the pressure. trying to handle the situation while keeping things under control. And just so you know, as Ebony People TV, we are always on top of the latest development, especially when it comes to Southeast news and updates, like what's happening in Imo State right now. We've got you covered with the best news coverage, whether it's in Imo, Ebonyi, or Abia, Anambra, or Enugu State. So we'll keep an eye on this situation and bring you updates as things unfold. But what do you guys think about the arrest? Do you feel like these suspects are being held fairly? Or do you think they might be caught up in a web of rumors and confusion? Let's keep the conversation going. And just so you know, for your event coverage of any kind, weddings, birthdays, funerals, meetings, anniversaries, any kind of event, the Ebony People TV team got you covered. Kindly reach out to us on the number now showing on your screens, and we'll see you in our next video.
As land where a central market for generating employment, for creating jobs, and for creating wealth for our people should be established. Governor Hope Uzodimma has now brought that it happen with adequate warehouses, with adequate security, electronic and physical, bringing people from all over Nigeria and indeed beyond to make Owerri Central Market the most important central market in Nigeria. It requires a lot of planning, of assurance, of trust, of confidence. This project on completion will not only open up the entire area where this market is located, we renew the name of Imo State in the global map. This is foreign direct investment. The investors are not coming from Nigeria. The investors are coming with money outside the country. So the expectations of the investors, which among other things is to provide a enabling environment for them, is the responsibility of the government and the people of Imo State, and that we shall do. This market complex will not only take care of the economic and business activities in this region, will also provide for an open space for our women at home, otherwise called Ogunmabere Market. So the market will take care of both the foreign and the local interest and provide a conducive atmosphere for the traders that will be resident here to do their businesses in a more hygienic environment, and both the economy of not only the community, not only the local government, not only the states, not only the Nigerian economy, but to act as a linkage between our domestic economy and the global economy.